Have you guys ever wondered how did money came into being and transformed over the years? So don't overthink about the plot and instead be curious about money. That how small pieces of metal and papers can be traded for food, clothes and anything else in the world. Before knowing about how did the money evolve over years, let us first know about money. Economists typically define money as a widely accepted means of payment. Basically, money is anything that can be easily used to buy goods and services. So, how did it come into existence? At the early start of mankind, the physical objects could be directly taken from the nature, and that was the first transaction with nature. Then, thousands of years ago from now, before money existed, humans relied on a system of barter. For example, if you are a farmer and you have leftover grains which are not of any use of you but need clothes. So the farmer can trade grains for clothes from the tailor and etc. Later, when people were tired from carrying lots of stuff along with them, gold was used as a medium to exchange against goods. But gold not being an abundant resource, it was replaced by metal coins with specific symbols to carry out trade smoothly and without confronting to any scams. Metals decided the value of the coin, that what its denomination will be. But carrying lots of coins, which will increase in value, increases their weight, tiring people up. So, in 812, metal coins were changed with paper money, which are made from special fibers of trees to carry out transaction easily. But again, the same issue occurred. Although paper was lighter than coins, one couldn't carry thousands of them at a time. So, banks introduced plastic cards as banks secured their money and money could anytime be withdrawn from nearby ATM. But basic human tendency always demands comfort. So why to use plastic card if we could do transactions then and there? So this led to the invention of electronic money in 1994. But again with comfort comes greed. Each and every of these have their own taxation and etc. So in 2009, cryptocurrencies were invented like Dogecoin, Bitcoin and etc. which is a virtual money. His basic intention is my money is mine. Why to pay taxes for it to government? Cryptocurrencies aren't real currencies. So any government can't put taxation on it. But the taxes can be applied on the business of cryptocurrencies and etc. But does this all mean now only cryptocurrencies run in the market? No. All of these methods still work, but not everywhere. We can still directly pluck the flower from trees. We can barter things for money and etc. As in the case of pawn shop. We still invest in gold, not just in the form of jewelry, but also as the form of money. We still use metal coins, for example, 1, 2, 5, or 10 rupee coins, or even in cents and etc. We still use paper money, debit cards, credit cards, remit cards, etc. We still use PayPal, Google Pay, and these applications. So, therefore, we started with a cashless society, and with development of humans and technology, we evolved till today. We don't know what does the future hold. Will we cease trading and physical money and go completely digital, or will we come up with an even stranger way of trading?